Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours is a struggling period. It's very clear to see that majority of the altcoins have seen an outflow of cash much greater as compared to the inflow, and that can also be shown by Bitcoin as it finally was able to make a decision which direction it wants to take. It did actually fall under 96,000 a couple of times, but it was able to recover. But now it's very clear that it has fallen short to 96,000 support very clearly and is consolidating at 95,000. This means 92,900 is going to be the next critical support to pay attention to, and so is majority of the altcoins. But what is really interesting is the dominance of Bitcoin right now has fallen a little bit. That means altcoins are able to hold the price a little bit better. Talking about Dogecoin, Dogecoin's activity has been steady. Experts say Dogecoin is still in the middle of the bull run. You can't catch it once it starts moving. Bitcoin, how will Powell not in a hurry Fed rate cut outlook impact the Bitcoin? On the other end, Trump is saying interest rates should be lowered as soon as possible. So there is a lot to cover today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. It will stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video. Just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, start spiking up. All of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys something interesting. If we just go into the Bitcoin chart, you'll realize something crazy. Just in the last 1 hour when I'm making this video, Bitcoin has become very volatile, and that's why I keep saying that staying over 96,000 is incredibly important. In the last 24 hours, you can see that we fell all the way down to 94,000, but we're able to recover as the buy orders were able to push up the price all the way back to 95. But if this consolidation phase does not hold, there is a really strong chance that we might be actually falling short all the way down to 93,000. And if that does not hold, we are going to be falling very sharply. Now, let me tell you one thing. I'm still very optimistic about the entire crypto market. We're still in a really strong bull run, but there is obviously going to be a little bit of hiccups, and one of the strongest hiccup being Powell says Fed is not in a hurry to cut interest rate with economy remaining strong. Now, after that statement, you guys know whenever the interest rate stays the same or goes higher, the riskier assets usually get impacted in a negative way. That's exactly what happened with Bitcoin. But after the statement was done, it's very clear to see that Trump is trying his best to try to help riskier assets such as stock, crypto, because his statement was President Trump says interest rates should be lowered. Now, that is the only statement he had to do to ensure that the crypto market is able to stay strong, and that can be seen by a little bit of a reversal that happened very quickly. Now, it's not only Bitcoin that reacted like this. You can also see that Doge is on the same path, and majority of the altcoins are also doing something similar as they show a very strong decline, as obviously majority of them are going to be following Bitcoin. And with that, the USD was also going up, as today you can see that majority of the tokens or majority of the currency that's in a pair with USD have been in negative, or if USD is in front, then in positive. Now, this is a really interesting take on Dogecoin, as Dogecoin activity has been steady with daily active addresses, transactions, and whale movement at key levels. A surge in these metrics could signal the start of the new leg. As I mentioned, we're at a very critical time. This could be the time when we might see a really strong pullback, or this might be the time where we will be seeing the next leg of the entire crypto market going explosive. It's just going to be dependent on time, as there's also a lot of experts which are doing something or saying something very similar. Dogecoin still in Doge season. Nonetheless, this turbulent period is only temporary. According to the renowned market commentator trader Alan, interestingly, the analyst is confident that Dogecoin is still trading within its bull season amid the price drawdown. Right now, we can definitely see that has taken a really strong pullback, but there is majority market pushing it even higher. Talking about the open interest, it's still sitting close to 1.3 trillion or billion for Dogecoin, and the long to the short ratio well, it's still in favor of long traders and actually growing as the market is showing a little bit of a pullback. And something similar can be seen for Bitcoin as well. Crypto.com receives a regulatory approval to provide crypto service to all European Economic Area member states. This is huge because they were trying to do this for a long time, and let's say as more and more exchanges which will be able to provide services inside of Europe is obviously going to allow for more adoption of crypto. And Elon Musk says Doge is investigating federal workers with low salary but high net worth. Now you guys know that Elon has been trying incredibly well to try to be more helpful towards Trump, but on the other end it can also be seen as he's finding more insider information. And Fed Chairman Powell says Federal Reserve will never create a central bank digital currency. Now this is a strong statement. Obviously they're trying to imply that they are not going to be doing anything with crypto, as we have seen a country release a coin, but right now they are definitely sticking to their morals. And let's say how this will actually all of it play out. Retail investors poured into Bitcoin in March 2024, but their activity has since slowed down. Now, what's really interesting is if they're able to jump into it right now and try to push up the market, it would be a little bit unpredictable, because March is going to be the month where we will be getting our first interest rate decision, actually the second one for the year, but that's going to be more critical as Trump will be in office. And Bitcoin funding rates are currently positive, while historically the best buying opportunity have come when they turn negative. Keep an eye out on the next shift, and the way the market is being so volatile, you do need to be very careful, especially if you're leverage trading. I always like to be careful, and I always like to tell all my viewers to be careful when you're especially leverage trading, because that can definitely make a huge impact or a dent to your account. Dogecoin records 500 million breakthrough. What is happening? Well, let me tell you one thing. There's a lot of whales which are deciding to buy into it, but the uncertainty is causing majority of the people to try to stay sideways when it comes to Dogecoin or Bitcoin right now. Solana ETF close to launch as SEC acknowledges multiple applications. Now SEC is definitely trying their best ever since they've become more crypto pro, and they're trying to follow the footsteps of Trump. But overall, we're still in a really positive situation for the entire crypto market ever since the SEC has stop going so against crypto, and Bitcoin price struggles near 100k as the investors await a key CPI figure. Now this figure is also going to be playing a crucial role on the interest rate, and that's why this figure is going to be so important. But right now, the way the entire crypto market is playing out, personally, if you ask me, buy into your favorite coin, DCA into it, and then just relax and wait out the storm. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. None of this I told you is financial advice. I'm just telling you guys my opinion. I hope you all have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you very soon.